Are you looking for the top 5 best blenders under $100, power and performance on a budget? In this video, we'll be taking a closer look at some of the best 5 blenders under $100, power and performance on a budget on the market today. Before we dive in, we've included links in the description for each product mentioned, so be sure to check those out to find the one that fits your style and budget. Number 1. Ninja BN701 Professional Plus Blender. More powerful motor. The Ninja Professional Plus Blender with Auto IQ features a new modern design and a more powerful motor than Ninja's original professional blender. Versus BL610, based on operating wattage. Powerful crushing. Ninja Total Crushing blades give you perfectly crushed ice for your smoothies and frozen drinks with 1,400 peak watts of professional power. 3 versatile functions. 3 preset Auto IQ programs allow you to create smoothies, frozen drinks, and ice cream, all at the touch of a button. Auto IQ technology. Take the guesswork out of drink making with intelligent programs that combine unique timed pulsing, blending, and pausing patterns that do the work for you. XL blending capacity. The 72 ounces. Total crushing pitcher is great for making large batches for the whole family. 64 ounces max liquid capacity. Recipe inspiration. Includes 15 recipe inspiration guide to help create delicious smoothies, frozen drinks, and more. Dishwasher safe. BPA-free pitcher and stacked assembly blade are easy to clean and dishwasher safe on the top rack. What's included? 1,400 peak watt motor base, 72 Oz. Total crushing pitcher, stacked blade assembly, lid, recipe inspiration guide, instruction booklet, and quick start guide. Number 2. Ninja BN401 Blender. Ultimate power. 1,000 peak watt motor powers through the toughest ingredients and pulverizes ice to snow in seconds for creamy frozen drinks, smoothies, sauces, and more. 2 versatile programs. 2 Auto IQ preset programs are uniquely timed for smoothies and crushed ice. Remove the guesswork with easy one-touch results. Nutrient extraction. Unlock hidden nutrition from whole fruits and veggies. Extracted drink containing vitamins and nutrients from fruits and vegetables. By blending whole fruits and vegetables including portions that are usually discarded. Frozen blending. Crush ice and pulverize frozen ingredients for resort, like frozen drinks, smoothies, frozen treats, and more. On the go convenience. Blend directly in the 24 ounces single-serve cup. Attach the spout lid, and enjoy your creations on the go. Compact and simple. So compact that it fits on any countertop and has intuitive, easy-to-use controls. Quick setup. Easily attach cup and blades assembly to start blending within seconds. Recipe inspiration. Includes a 20 recipe inspiration guide to get you started with easy-to-prepare smoothies, frozen drinks, sauces, and more. Easy cleanup. All parts are BPA-free and dishwasher-safe. Cord length, 80.01 centimeters. What's included? 1,100 peak watt motor base, blade assembly, 2 24 ounces. To-go cups, 2 spout lids and 20 recipe inspiration guide. BPA-free. Cord length, foot 2.6. Number 3. Blenders for kitchen. Introducing a premium smoothie blender with timer. The perfect countertop companion for every kitchen. This high-performance blender features a generous 68 ounces BPA-free pitcher that is dishwasher safe, making cleanup effortless. Its robust motor power and sharp, multi-angle blades excel at crushing ice and blending frozen fruit smoothly and quickly. The built-in timer function lets you set precise blending intervals. Just dial in your preferred time, start, and walk away. Ideal for consistent results whether you're blending smoothies, soups, sauces, or nut milks. The pitcher is crafted from durable, food-grade plastic that withstands cold and hot ingredients without warping or leaching chemicals. Designed with safety and convenience in mind, it includes a secure locking lid, non-slip base, and overheat protection. The wide pitcher opening accommodates whole fruits and large ingredients without needing pre-chopping. With this blender, you get power, precision, and ease, perfect for daily nutritious blends with no fuss. Number 4. Ninja Professional Blender 1000W. Introducing the Ninja Professional Blender 1000W. a high-performance full-size countertop blender engineered for toughness and versatility. With 1,000 watts of professional power, this unit effortlessly crushes ice, frozen fruit, nuts, and fibrous ingredients with its total crushing blade assembly, producing smooth, consistent blends in seconds. The XL 72 ounces BPA-free pitcher, with a 64 ounces liquid fill capacity, accommodates batch making for families, entertaining, or prep-ahead smoothies. Its durable plastic construction is dishwasher safe, top rack recommended, making cleanup simple and fast. Operation is intuitive and streamlined. 3 speed settings, low, medium, high, plus the pulse mode give you direct control over texture and blend time. A safety interlock ensures blades cannot spin unless the pitcher and lid are correctly locked in place, protecting you and your kitchen. In use, it excels at creating icy drinks, frozen margaritas, fruit smoothies, milkshakes, purees, and more. In product reviews, it is particularly praised for superior ice crushing ability compared to many blenders in its price class. While it may not rival premium models for ultra-smooth purees of leafy greens or hot soups, it delivers outstanding value as a robust all-round blender. Number 5. Blenders for Kitchen Smoothie Blender. Pro-level blending power. Packing a punch with up to 1,800 watts, this kitchen blender makes quick work of ice, frozen fruits, and tough ingredients, whipping up smoothies, shakes, and more like a pro. Big batch blending for the whole crew. The extra-large 68 ounces pitcher is perfect for family meals or entertaining, letting you blend up smoothies, frozen drinks, and sauces in one go. No need for multiple rounds. All-in-one kitchen workhorse. From smoothies and soups to grinding coffee and spices, this blender does it all. It's your go-to for blending, chopping, grinding, and pureeing. No extra gadgets needed. Cleans up in a flash. The BPA-free pitcher, lids, and blades are dishwasher safe, and the self-clean feature makes cleanup a breeze. Just add soap and water, hit blend, and you're done. Smart blending, perfect results. With adjustable speeds and pulse control, this blender gives you total control to nail the perfect texture every time, whether it's silky smoothies or chunky salsas. Plus, it's built to last with overheat protection. Note: do not fill the container too full, otherwise it may cause the machine to automatically activate its overheating protection function. If the machine stops working, you need to reset it and wait for it to cool down.